Here's a look at a Northwoods Lincoln Jack that came in for a cleanup. The owner had misplaced it and it had developed some corrosion, some rust. The blade was froze up. It came into me. Opening, closing, had lost some snap, but that was restored with a little bit of cleaning. You can see both sides of the blades were pretty discolored, hadn't been used much. Had some pitting on both sides of the blade. I started by cleaning up the inside of it, getting all the corrosion out of the well, polished the outside, the bolsters, cleaned up both sides of the blade. Finally gave it a good sharpening and returned it to its owner. I think it came out pretty nice.